Okay, hey, so I'm gonna try these dog food. I'm gonna see which one's worse. So my sister says this one's worser than this. A little difference though. This one's skinnier. This one's more bigger. I'm gonna try this first one. She says not that bad. 3, 2, 1. That's pretty good. I'm just kidding. It's not bad. Oh gosh. Oh. That was delicious. I'm just kidding. That was bad. Just it's stuck in my teeth, so I could taste the flavor still. Okay, now this one's made of fish, not fully fish, but half of it. I'm gonna try it. And 3, 2, 1. Oh god. Okay. Okay, so there was something in there that I couldn't chew on. Now, my sister didn't plan on this, but I'm gonna do this. Stare at there. So I'm gonna get a decent spoonful of dog food. Yes, I know I'm gonna. Okay, I'm kind of. Oh no. Okay, there's still a bunch. You guys better hit that like button. You guys kind of regretted it now. Now I'm gonna try it in 3, 2, 1. Puke goes the hole. Okay, get some back.